Most people think that if I just have knowledge, I'll go and speak because I have a lot of knowledge. It's not about knowledge.
All thanks to this awesome man here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
You know why I teach different methods of public speaking at the Confident Speaker Live Intensive Workshop? Because different strokes for different folks. You know that on average, a world-class golfer has 14 golf clubs when he plays. I'm sure you don't have just one t-shirt or a one shirt. You have multiple things. Why? For different occasions, you have different things. Same way, you need different techniques for public speaking. Most people think that if I just have knowledge, I'll go and speak because I have a lot of knowledge. It's not about knowledge. If all people want information, they can go to Google, they find out. People want connection, they want engagement. They want to understand your perspective, and they want to understand it from a place of abundant connection. So, for example, how you give a 60-minute presentation is not how you give a 5-minute presentation. It's not how you give a 2-minute presentation. It's different than giving a 3-hour full-blown presentation, right? So it's all different techniques. How many techniques do you know? How many techniques do you know about confidence? How many techniques do you know about body language? How many techniques do you know about engagement? How many techniques do you know about audience connection? How many techniques do you know about spontaneous speaking, handling tough questions from the audience, vocal variety, mindset upgradation? How do you really create what I call the 3B, the verbal, visual, vocal, connection with the audience? And if you don't have that, you're not going to be an impactful speaker. You're going to be just an informative speaker. That's my tip for you right now. What we do at the Confident Speaker Live Workshop is teach you all the techniques, hundreds of techniques and tools and tips to make you a confident speaker from the inside so that you can feel confident, and then you go out there and give confident presentations. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here. See you soon.